Hello, I'm James Mueller of Weingartz. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to give you an overview of the Boss Snowrator, a machine that is changing the landscape of the snow and ice industry. The days of having a crew of 2 to 6 employees show up at a job site are becoming a thing of the past. With the labor challenges that we're facing, manufacturers are constantly coming up with ways to improve efficiency and productivity. Let's go through the machine. First off, powered by 4 independent wheel motors and aggressive all-terrain tires and 4-wheel drive capability, the machine does not lack in traction. At 850 pounds dry weight, plus the weight of the operator and the materials you have on board, the Snowrator is able to plow through heavy snow events. This machine here is set up with the basic accessories, being the plow and a 20-gallon liquid tank. The Boss Atv Plow is 48 inches in width with a poly moldboard reinforced with steel ribbing. The Boss Plow features 2 trip springs for a full trip on uneven cement and sidewalks. Boss was able to improve the durability of this push frame to limit any kind of damage and improve dependability. Equipped with a 1/4-inch steel cutting edge that is reversible and replaceable with a urethane cutting edge for those more delicate properties. Boss also offers 12-inch extension wings to turn this 4-foot plow into a 5-foot plow. You can also turn this into a box pusher with the box wings. The machine is powered by the Honda GX 390 engine, a tried and true machine equipped with the electric start and a backup recoil start. You can see that all the hydraulic lines and electrical lines are loomed and wrapped to withstand the extreme temperatures and erosion over time. As we come around to the back of the machine, you can see it has a 20-gallon liquid tank able to hold brine or liquid de-icer with 4 spray nozzles to allow an even flow of liquid material onto the surface. You can see it is equipped with a lot of different features on the control panel, one being front LED work lights as well as 1 rear light. The machine is also equipped with a 15-foot spray wand for those hard-to-reach areas such as stairs, entryways, and other hard-to-reach areas. The machine operates similar to a skid steer or your traditional zero-turn mower. You have your hand levers here. Your operation for the plow is similar to a tractor. Angle left, angle right. Raise the plow, as well as lower the plow and down pressure for back dragging, and a float position to follow the contour of uneven surfaces. The control panel consists of 2 switches, one for your LED work lights, one for your liquid brine pump. This controller here controls the flow of material from the spreader. You have your throttle control, hour meter for good maintenance intervals. Up top, you have your pressure regulator along with your pressure gauge and a diverter valve to divert all the liquid to your spray wand. Boss offers 2 rear accessory options. The rear salt bins will each hold a bag of salt. Otherwise, the 5-gallon bucket holders are also very popular. This machine is equipped with Boss's 1.5 cubic foot exact path salt spreader. You can see the salt spreader has channels directing the salt away from the push frame of the plow to avoid erosion, but also precise drop of the material so that you don't damage turf along the sides of the sidewalk and you get the most use of your salt. The material flow is controlled by the gate here. You also have a serrated blade to open your bags of salt. This machine is able to plow snow, spread salt, and spray liquid de-icer at the same time, making it very efficient and productive. And there you have it. Whether you are a snow and ice contractor, a property manager, or a municipality responsible for clearing snow and ice, do yourself a favor and take a closer look at the Boss Snowrator.